Hey everyone, and welcome to another Android video tutorial series here on The Helpful Robot, the channel on YouTube that hopes to help make you a better Android smartphone user. And today we're talking about setting up a Wi-Fi network on an Android 4.0 or later device. These are the devices that basically came out from 2012 onward. So if you have an older device than that, you probably want to click up here for the Android tutorial series for Android 2.4, which is Gingerbread, which is still a popular OS. So the first step we're going to do, and we're connecting to a password protected or an encrypted network here, but if you're connecting to a public Wi-Fi network like in an airport or a hotel or something like that, it's just one less step. So again, everything will be the same up until the point where you have to enter that encryption password. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on the phone and unlock it. Next thing we're going to do is navigate to settings. If your phone has a menu soft key or a menu hard key, you can tap on that and go to settings from there. If you don't have that, then you can actually go to apps and then click on settings. And now the first thing you're going to want to do, so after going to settings, the first thing you're going to want to do is turn Wi-Fi on if it's off. You can see Wi-Fi is off right here. So you're going to want to slide that across, or I think you can just tap it there, yeah. And that will turn Wi-Fi on. And now the next step is going to be to tap on Wi-Fi, and that will help configure it. So you're going to see a list of all Wi-Fi networks that are in range of the phone, as well as Wi-Fi networks that are not in range but are remembered by the phone. So we're connecting to Asus Dual Band today because that's my Wi-Fi network here, and you can see the little lock icon there indicates that it is a secured network, as it says there. So you're going to tap on this, and again, if you want to connect to a public network, all you have to do is tap on the network name and then tap connect. There's no password to obviously enter. But here we're going to enter that password, and there is an option to show password as you're entering it. So if you have a long password like I do, it helps out a lot just because you don't make a single typo and then you have to enter the whole thing again. So I will be back in a second. There we go. Password is entered, and then all you should have to do is click connect, and the phone will do the rest. It will say connecting, obtaining IP address, authenticating, something like that, and then it will say connected. You can see down here it said connected to Asus Dual Band, and up here you can see that's reflected in the menu bar where it says Wi-Fi is connected, and you have a data connection in both directions. So that is how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on Android 4.0 or later. Again, I forgot to do this, but so again, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the network to connect to, enter the password if it's a password protected network. So again, this is a basic tutorial, but just a fun little tidbit here is if your phone supports a drop-down menu function like many do, you can actually tap on Wi-Fi and hold it, and that will take you right to your Wi-Fi settings. So it's a little faster than going to settings and then turning on your Wi-Fi. So it's kind of cool. But again, I hope you liked this video tutorial. If you did, be sure to like the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because The Helpful Robot has a whole bunch of Android tutorial stuff coming up. And again, if you know how to do this already, that's great. I'm sure there are a bunch of people here who can use the help. And again, these will be organized into playlists eventually once I have more videos up. These will be the basic tutorials that I'm doing first, and then we'll go into the more advanced stuff. So this is where we are right now. And again, if you liked it, be sure to share it. It really does help the community out, and I hope to turn this into something pretty cool one day. So this is the start of it. And thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in another tutorial soon.